So this is something new for me, making a sourdough starter from, you can see it bubbling right there, from pumpernickel meal, using Bob's Red Mill dark rye pumpernickel meal, which is a rye grain. And I'm doing about a ratio of 2-to-1 spring water to pumpernickel meal. You must use non-chlorinated water. This has been covered. I've just used a paper towel there with a rubber band around the container for about 5 days, I would say, at room temperature, about 70 degrees. I like to keep my room cool with the windows open in the fall. And that seems to be, well, that is an optimum temperature for fermentation. It's about 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is ready to go. This is a sourdough culture. Kind of stir this around. You can see there's all that grain down there in the bottom. Definitely a yeasty smell coming off this. Very pleasant smell. But that is foaming and bubbling like crazy. Sourdough culture, ready to go. Look at that bubbling. Good stuff.